guys, in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play Lite Weight by Anderson Paak. Okay, so here we go. Give you a preview of this. Okay, so there are two main sections as you can see in the structure. First section is the instrumental section, it's pretty awesome, and then second section is the vocal section that repeats throughout the song as well. So here we go, let's learn it. So give you a preview of the first section first before we start learning. It goes like this. Repeats. That's pretty awesome. Okay, and let's learn it right now. So I'll break it up into two parts, it's easier to learn. Okay, so it starts on the F sharp on the right hand, middle C here, so just the F sharp just above it. So F sharp up to the C sharp, A sharp, F sharp down to C sharp, D, D sharp, and then F sharp up to C sharp, A sharp, F sharp down to C sharp, D, D sharp. Okay, that's it for the first part. Let's do it again. So it goes like this. It goes F sharp up to C sharp, A sharp, F sharp down to C sharp, D, D sharp, F sharp up to C sharp, A sharp, F sharp down to C sharp, D, D sharp. Okay, that's the right hand. Left hand, two chords, two G sharp minor chords, which is G sharp, B, D sharp. So with the two of these ones in mind, two hands together goes like this, F sharp and G sharp minor together, F and G sharp minor together, like that. That's it for the first part. One more time, so it goes together, together, like that. Moving on to the second part of this, right hand goes down to the A sharp just below middle C, A sharp up to D sharp, F sharp, and then A sharp, C sharp, A sharp up to F, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, up to D sharp, C sharp, A sharp. And that's it for the right hand. One more time, so it goes like this, goes A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, A sharp up to F sharp, F, okay, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, D sharp, C sharp, A sharp. One last time just to confirm it, so it goes A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, A sharp up to F, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, up to D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, like that. Okay, when it's faster. That's it for the right hand. Left hand, two chords, two fully black note chords, which is D sharp minor, which is D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, so two of them. Okay, so with these two chords in mind, two hands together goes like this. So D sharp minor comes in, and the right hand comes in, so you release that A sharp on the left hand, like that. F and D sharp minor together, like that. One more time, so it goes like this. Here, together. And that's it, there you have it. Okay, so this first section is hard in terms of it's continuous and it's a little bit fast for the right hand, so you gotta practice slow, build up the speed, okay? So yeah, what you do, you play it back to back, and then you kind of like cycle it, okay? So you can actually play this instrumental as much as you want. It's pretty awesome, so you can loop it, okay? So yeah, it goes like this, back to back. Repeats. Pretty awesome, okay? So yeah, once you get that, let's move on to the other section, which is the vocal section. It goes like this, give you a preview. It's pretty simple as well. There's actually like one motive played 3 times, and then, yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll show you right now so you understand. So we'll break it up to 4 parts, but as I said, you can see that part, that part is like played 3 times. So it is the first part, it's the second part, and also the 4th part. So essentially, we just need to learn the first part and the 3rd part, and we just like pretty much have the whole thing. Okay, so let's learn the first part, very important part, since it's played 3 times. So starting on the C sharp up here, so middle C, C, C sharp. So C sharp, D sharp, F, D sharp, C sharp, C sharp, A sharp, D sharp, A sharp, D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, down to D sharp. That's it, one more time. It goes C sharp, D sharp, F, D sharp, C sharp, C sharp, A sharp, D sharp, A sharp, D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, D sharp. That's it for the right hand. Once you get that left hand, 4 chords, it's the reverse chords. So it's D sharp minor twice, which is D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, so 2 times, followed by 2 G sharp minor chords, G sharp, B, D sharp, the 2 of them. Yeah. Okay, so with that in mind, turn together goes like this. Right hand starts F and D sharp minor together, A sharp and D sharp minor together, second G sharp and D sharp minor together, and after D sharp minor by itself, like that. One more time, it goes together, 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 here. Yeah. So as I said, this first part is the same as the second part, so you repeat it. Now, learning the third and other part, which is different here. So right hand, it's actually really similar. Right hand, it starts off different. So it goes C sharp, A sharp, C sharp, C sharp, A sharp, C sharp, A sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and then it's the same as before. D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, D sharp. So the second half of the right hand is the same as the first part, just the first half is different. So it goes C sharp, A sharp, C sharp, C sharp, A sharp, C sharp, A sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and the same as before. D sharp, A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, D sharp. Okay? So left hand is the same 4 chords as the first part. Okay, turn together goes like this. So right hand starts C sharp and D sharp minor together, A sharp and D sharp minor together, together, here. Okay, just like that. Just like that. One more time. So together, 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 here. That's it. And then moving on to the fourth and last part is the same as the first part as I said before. So fourth part same as the first part. Back to you. That's it. There you have it. It's pretty simple, okay? So as I said, first part, second part, and fourth part is the same in this section, and just the third part is the different da 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 da. Okay, so once you get that, it's pretty simple. Okay, and that's pretty much it, because this song you can just mix and match, alternate between the first section you learned, the instrumental, and that one. Okay, and then also match it with this other singing section. So you can like do the first section, play it a few times, then the second section, singing section, and then back to the instrumental section, and you can just loop it like that. So pretty awesome. That's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, make sure to check out the other musical content. Enjoy the time around my musical content and channel, and see you next time.